In this video, I'll show you how to transfer data from ZBD to Coinbase. Alright, so let's start with Coinbase, and what we need to do is create a Lightning invoice for our BTC. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the transfer button, then we need to click on receive crypto. Then over here, we need to put in the amount we want to receive, either in your currency, or you can click over here to change to BTC and then hit create invoice. Then over here, all you need to do is hit the copy button. Okay, now we'll switch over to ZBD, and you'll see here in ZBD, it'll show you how it's done. So pretty much we've completed the first few steps, and all we need to do now is click on paste and continue. And then you just want to slide this arrow all the way to the right once you have looked over the fees involved, and your balance will be transferred. Unfortunately, I had to use screenshots because ZBD just says my connection is trash. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please remember that this is in no way any type of financial advice. Any losses you incur are fully your own responsibility, and I'll see you in the next one.